Hey everybody, this is Lisa with Geekgirlfinds. It's mail call time. I don't know if you're familiar with Influenster. It's basically a community where people, basically review products, and it's, a lot of fashion and skincare and makeup, pretty girly stuff. And anyways, occasionally you get opportunities to have stuff sent to you, and so you can try it and test it out and review it. And I haven't had a box in a really long time. But anyways, it came today, and we are going to open it and see what we got. I already know what it is, but I haven't opened it yet. But yeah, this is the box. You could be part of the community through an app. And I will give all that information in the description box. So this here, you could see clearly, this is Aussie brand. And this is Let Your Curl Out, Aussie Influencer. I must disclose that yes, I did get this for free for complimentary for testing purposes. It's good to be honest. Let's see here, Aussie Miracle Curls Collection. I've been very curious about trying this since I'm a curly girl. It gives you effortlessly gorgeous, moist, that's that word again, curls so you can seize the day, the night, and whatever's around the corner. Well, this sounds like this will turn my life around. Celebrate your beautiful curls with a new Aussie Miracle Curls collection. Breakthrough new line designed to provide moisture and protection to curls. Well, sign me up. Let's see. Includes 7 products, all containing nourishing formulas made with coconut oil, Australian jojoba oil, to leave your curls feeling soft and smooth. So anyways, when you get this, you log onto your profile, let them know that you got your box, and you get ready to start reviewing. So as you can see, I just got these, so I can't really review it yet. But it looks like we got the Miracle Curls conditioner for miraculously nourished curls. And I already love their 3-minute Miracle product. So we will see if this is a 3-minute miracle for my curls. I wish I'd gotten this just literally an hour ago. My hair's drying right now. I could have used this while I was in the shower. And we got the shampoo. So yeah, I got 3 products to test, complimentary. So yeah, so we'll be giving that a whirl, and I will update probably after this weekend. I'll give it several days of use and see how my curls respond. But anyways, that is it for now. Just wanted to drop in and share this with you guys. Like I said, I will leave the information down below on how you too can join Influenster and be an influencer in your community. What else? Oh, of course, do not forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And as always, I love all you guys and thank you for all your support. Talk to you soon. Bye.